Hi everybody, my coaling tower's arrived. This is how it should look when it's finished. And this is what you get. Sorry, wrong way. Loads of bits. And another box of bits over here. So seeing it's a bit wet outside, I thought I'd come down here and build it a bit warmer. The instructions are quite basic, but they tell you what you need to know roughly. To start off with, I've got to find all the leg sections, and they're in there somewhere, and glue them all together. So there's all the leg sections. Now I'm going to make a start. Right, so that's the first leg section finished. I've just used a bit of masking tape just to keep it all together. So I make the next three. So that's the two sets of legs done with the cross members in now. So I'll leave them to dry. Next stage, it says if you mask the doors and windows off and paint these now, obviously I'll have to mask them up again when I paint the rest, but hey. Right, so give them a couple of coats so they can go out of the way. Now I was just putting it together before I glued anything just to see how it went. And I did make a big cock up. I actually, for the cross members, I use these, which are too short. The actual cross members, I've got the bit cut out that goes into the leg, a bit on the end of these sort of thing. And I just couldn't understand why it wouldn't fit. I've also put the feet on. Right, well I've actually got that far, but I haven't actually, I've just been trying to work out how it all goes together. I haven't glued anything. So I'm going to have to take all the bits again. But I just, the instructions aren't that clear. But anyway, I'm getting there. Right, I've just about finished my dry run. Like I say, nothing's glued apart from the legs. But it does take some working out. But I think finally, if it all pops in, it's getting together. Now there is so much railings and stuff to go on it. But now I've worked out how to put it together. Next stage is to actually glue it. Right, so I'm now going to actually glue the coal chute. Well, I've had to put this together once, but I'll try another way. Right, so I've lifted, added the lift for the wagons, which is here. And I managed to get that together. Now the only thing is, it's good I haven't glued it, because that has to drop in through here to fit down there in the hole sort of thing. So that's it complete without glue, just all the railings and everything. But obviously I'm not going to put those on until I've sanded it and painted it. I think the next stage really is put on the layout and have a look. Right, there she's on the layout. The size difference is quite a lot taller but narrower. As you can see, my tracks are way out for feeding the coal trucks at the bottom to come up into the chute. And I've done some ballasting as well, waiting for this to turn up. But anyway, so move the tracks again. Anyway, back to the coaling tower. I know what it's still not glued, so I'm now going to take it downstairs and spend a few hours gluing her up, sanding her down and priming her. Well, I probably won't get to priming her, just gluing her up will be a challenge. Okay, well thanks for watching, and part 2 will be shortly. Bye for now.